Hi, I'm Sammy with Bar Under the Stairs, and today I'm going to show you how to make a brown derby. This is a 3-ingredient cocktail. All you'll need is a decent bourbon, some fresh squeezed grapefruit juice, and some honey syrup. Alright, so we're going to grab our jigger and our tin. We're going to start off with the honey syrup. It's also referred to as runny honey. It's 2 parts honey to 1 part warm water, and you just kind of let that get together before you start making the drink. And then it pours really nice into your jigger. Alright, so we're going to do a 1/2 ounce of runny honey. We're going to do 1 whole ounce of grapefruit juice. And we're gonna do 2 ounces of my bourbon of choice today, which is Fighting Cock. It's a very affordable brand of bourbon. They only make 1 type of bourbon from what I know, and it's damn good. Two ounces of bourbon. Go ahead and combine your built drink with your ice. Give it a shake. Now we'll double strain that into our coupe glass. It's a beautiful peach color. So 1 grapefruit peel to garnish. Go ahead and express the grapefruit peel over your drink. And I like to just put it on a skewer, give it a little ribbon effect. Just kind of weave on a poker or a toothpick through the peel. There you go. Just place that right on top. It's so sweet yet so citrusy and really caramely from the bourbon. It's just a really nice little treat here. Comes together really nice. It almost tastes like a peach. It kind of looks like a peach too. Thanks for joining us today at Bar Under the Stairs. I'm Sammy, and have a great day.